then he would etch it, and I would work in conjunction with the Royal College. I've talked briefly to the professor of the college. We haven't established it yet, but I think that would be the next project I would be really interested in doing.
What about sort of sculpture and 3D printing?
Yeah, we're experimenting with that at the moment. I think the new portfolio was meant to be like that, but we haven't developed it. It's not good enough. We haven't got it right yet.
Yeah.
But we're experimenting with it. I mean, you could probably explain more, Brad, couldn't you? But we are talking to people who do it, yeah, and doing tests. So we will make some collages which are 3D prints. Yeah. So there'll be prints with 3D elements added.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when would that be?
Now we're working with it.
Right. Right. But what made the sort of transition between, when you originally started off, you were doing sort of traditional oil colours and oil painting and watercolours, etc., and then you transitioned to the more sort of precise precision cutting, and was there any sort of method in that, or did you drift into it?
Well, I can answer that very specifically, and I always say that if you imagine my work as an oak tree, the trunk is that I'm a figurative painter, and that's consistent, and I started as that, and I still am that. But the branches are various experiments. So there might be sculpture, there might be printmaking, there might be record covers, so I can go off on the branch and do something and come back to this trunk of being. So I'm basically an oil painter, but also background to that, which I suppose informs it a bit, is the fact that at Gray's School of Art I did the intermediate examination, which gave a very broad education, and then I wanted to be a painter, but they advised me to be a graphic designer. So I did the National Diploma in Commercial Art, it was called. I did the National Diploma, took a year of it, and then tried for the Royal College as a graphic designer. I sent one painting and got in as a painter, and then did National Service. So I started at the Royal College, never having been a painting student, and that's what made you. So I'm a kind of rogue of both. I'm a rogue graphic designer, and I'm a rogue painter because I have a graphic design background. So an example I often use is that if a pure painter uses lettering, they dip the brush in the paint and they write. Almost always. I mean, Sickert would do that, Arbok would do that. Whereas my interest in lettering is if it's a shop front, I'm interested in shop front lettering, or if it's a newspaper, I'm interested in typography. So that's what makes me be a rogue. So I didn't ever. It wasn't a matter of being a painter and stopping being a painter and moving on to something else. So there's still these crossovers and interchanges all the time, and that's what I enjoy, I think.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.